I don't mean to interrupt, but this is important. I know someone at my school this week. He had a friend pass away from carbon monoxide in his own home. Don't be like him. Get the Kitty carbon monoxide detector today, which can save your life. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous, unscented gas that can kill in minutes. Don't be like them. Get the carbon monoxide detector today that can save your life. Get one with or without the digital ppm reading. And guess what? Even some smoke detector models can have a carbon monoxide detecting feature. Get one today. Don't wait. Your life might depend on it.